And welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1965 Ford Mustang. This is a Restomod, complete body-up restoration. Really cool car, guys. It's out of Georgia. It's got 11,000 miles on the Resto and very nicely done. And it's a little sleeper. It just looks like a, like a factory 65 Mustang fastback. This thing's got a 5-liter HO late model motor in it with a 5-speed manual transmission. It's been upgraded to Rally Pac tubular front suspension. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got air. But sitting there, it just looks like a stock fastback Mustang. This is the original color. It is factory A code Raven Black. It was a factory red interior car. They've changed it to a two-tone red and black interior, which is pretty cool. You can see it's got the GT fog lights and rear valence. It is a C code car, though it's not an original GT. Pretty car, nice paint, really nicely done. I have not had a chance to drive this car yet. Nathan did, though, said it drove out excellent. Dual chrome mirrors. It's got the fold down rear seat. I saw a couple little touch-up marks you can kind of nitpick, but there's not a whole lot to really pick on this car. This car's nice, and they drove it. There's a couple, there's one, I can't remember what it was, little rub mark, little rub mark there, but look how flat this car is. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, it's got the GT rear valence, with the correct trumpet exhaust. Look how straight that car is. And again, it is a factory A code Raven Black car. It's got Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. Those are 15-inch factory style wheels with Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Pretty. Again, couple little touch-up marks, some little things to pick, but it's minimal. It's really nice. Again, late model, 5-liter HO fuel-injected engine. It's got a Street Fighter distributor in it, 5-speed manual transmission. Again, you can see it's been upgraded to all Rally Pac tubular suspension, power steering. It's got front and rear sway bars. Again, Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes on it. Air blows cold. It's got a set of ceramic headers on it. Pretty car. A-pillar chrome's got to be new. Dual chrome mirrors. Door handles look good. There's your door tag. Door seams are nice and clean. Again, it was a factory, I think it's code 25, which would have been a red interior. They've changed it to the two-tone pony red and black. New carpet, new sill plates. It's got the fold-down rear seat, so yeah, you can put your golf clubs in it. Shelby style wood wheel, Rally Pac gauges. It's a factory style shifter, but you can see they got the 5-speed selector on there. 11,618 for your mileage, factory gauges, aftermarket Audiosounds radio. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. It's got an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it, 9-inch rear axle. I think he said it's a 350 rear gear. Jack with spare is in here. Yeah, and you can see a couple little stone chips there. Or not stone chips, probably just rub marks on it. Everything opens and closes really nice. Clean underneath. Probably ordered new front floor mats for it as well. Interior lights work. Again, two-tone, it's a pony interior. Looks like it's got the front seat belts in it. Tack works, clock's working in there. Air blows cold. It's a factory full-length console. Fuel injected, turn the key, point the direction. You can just kick the air on, it blows cold. That's a pretty car. Somebody's gonna have a blast with that thing. And like I say, you wouldn't think it just, I mean, it's a little louder than a 289, but most people wouldn't even know. Tack works. Again, clock works. Looks like all your gauges are working in there, holding good oil pressure. Fit and finish is nice. Backup, well, we got one backup light. We'll check it. It's probably just a bulb. Good sound. Interior light under the dash is working. Radio works. Blower motor works. It's got the GT fog lights. Yep, turn signals work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Look how flat that car is. Pretty paint. Have a great day, guys.